Yup. All right, today is March 31st, 2026, last day of March. Yesterday, there was a nice, maybe two good setups yesterday. I didn't take them because they weren't my setups, so I had to avoid them. All right, I only want to trade what I know, not trade what I want to know. All right, now after the market opens. All right, so let's go through it. I'm gonna go over what I saw. So here, all right, I had a 5 minute level here. I wanted to see price start to buy, right? Looking for that buy. We had two here, but price never really moved yet, so I didn't touch that, all right? So price, you can see, dove down, fucked up the market right here. Price never moved up yet from this level. Yeah, we had this level, but price moved out of it, not really bouncing yet. I'm not gonna call this a bounce. Price kind of like had this weird spike and then moved up. So looking for a bounce, retest, all right? So price sells off and then goes down to settlement price. All right. Now we get buying coming in right here. All right. So we got buying coming in, and price is actually moving up. So I don't have it marked as a support or resistance line. I only have it marked as settlement line. All right. So even though I have it marked, no, VIX is holding this area here. ES and Q is down here. Right. So I do have good levels to say, okay, well, if price does come back to this and give me a buy signal, I can aim for a 64.60 right up here. All right. All right. So now Powell was supposed to speak at 10:30. So now I'm disengaged from the market. I'm not interested because I don't know what might happen. This is the Powell time news here, 10:30 to now. We do get that buy. So let's go back and see what happened. So we do get the volume. Prices lined up. All right. We got the sell into this level here. Buying is coming in. And basically, price ends up buying. All right, just trying to get this up here. Price ends up buying. Boom, boom. This is probably where I would want to enter, aiming for this level up here. Price goes. All right. So now we'd be in the market. Stop loss would probably be right here. And then that's pretty much it. Now we just wait. And price comes back harshly. I think price comes much lower. Let's see what it had stopped me out. No, I still would have probably been like here, but I would have been taking this. I would have been out right up here. Yeah, probably right up here. Probably would have just exited this trade or exit here at 64.50. This is a nice 30-point move. I'm good. All right. What does happen? I think price goes back up to this because this is the strong sell before the market opened or after the market opened. I need to hurry up because the market opens up soon. I haven't set up a single level yet. So here. All right. So that was a strong sell. After the market opened, I think on 25 maybe. Come on. Right here. All right. So after the market opened, we had this strong sell here. The price came back to it, and then that's what followed. All right. So we had that. Maybe could have taken this trade here, but this is like around the noon time. Not interested. This would have been the one that caught my interest, and the price sold off. All right. So that was basically it yesterday. That nice little setup around the Powell speaking. Now today, what news do we have? We have 10 o'clock jolts, so I'll be looking for that in consumer confidence. So I'm going to mark that. I'll mark that now, so that way I'm not guessing or forgetting it. And let's look for that 10 o'clock one that came in. the 1031 that came in yesterday, and then replace it with today. So here, 1031 Powell. Wow. All right. There we go. Apply. All right. So let's just go through looking for anything that kind of makes sense. So let's go through the time frames here real quickly. Oh, okay. This looked like a potential reversal happening. If we came down here and stopped like that, this might be going back up. Let's go to the weekly real quickly and see what the week is looking like. All right. 4 hour. Double bounce. But nothing. 1 hour. We've got a 1 hour level. I respect that one. Our market's gonna open up while I'm still setting up. 30 minutes. Nothing there. 15. Nothing there. 5. This is new. I'm gonna mark this one. Alright, and then 1. It's too much going on for me for this 1 hour. Alright, let's go back to the 30, and it's gonna delete anything that we cleared. Alright. So this can go, this can go. These can go, these can go. Alright. I'm gonna add this low here. I think this is lower. I'm gonna add this low here, and I'm gonna add the high here. I'm gonna add the high here. All right. So this is a 1 hour level. This is 1 hour. So we're gonna look at what the 1 hour does. Right now, it's look like we kind of touched it. Look at it from these here. So this is the 1 hour level. Strong selling. All right. I'm gonna mark it 1 hour. All right. I'm still set up while the market opens up. So 1 hour strong selling. All right. Price kind of moved away, but not something I can trust. I want to see price move, retest, slightly move away, then retest, and then really go. 50. All right. So this is definitely a level of high interest. I'm liking it, but I'm not liking how any of this is. Market just opened up. 25. Boom. Touched it. Kind of move. Maybe. Alright. If I get a strong buy that makes sense, I might hop in. Then 20. Alright, but we'll see, because this might be ready to go. Alright, because we got strong here, a lot of strong volume, and the market hasn't even opened up yet. Strong volume here. Alright, price kind of moved away. Alright, I need to keep my eye on this. Strong volume here. Strong buy, strong sell, strong buy. Right, might need to keep my eye on this one. Right, sell, strong buy, sell, retest. All right, so try to keep my eye on it. I'm not a big fan of a 1 hour being a level, but I got to keep my eyes open and see what I can get out of this level. But I think this is the first move out. This is the retest. Maybe need a 1 hour push up or something that makes sense here. Right now this is more of a move down, not a move away. All right, I want to see like a move away, move retest, move go, something like that, right? All right, so that's that. Let's go to the 5 minutes. So we do have a level down there. Um, this one right here. We'll mark this. Like I said, I don't need to take anything that doesn't make sense, and that's pretty much how we are. All right, and that's 5 minutes. Okay, so that's that. Not a volume. All right, we always want it to make sense. We're not rushing into any of this here. Let's go to NQ real quickly. We'll set the high and lows of NQ. If price is moving away now, then nothing I can do about it. All right, and that's that. And that's that on everything. Keep that there. Nice bounce here, right? At settlement price. So we're not rushing for anything. This might be pretty much it. That's a low. This is the high. That. Alright. Let's go to ES real quickly and add the settlement price. Alright, price hasn't really moved away from this level for me to trust it enough. So I'm in no rush. Down there it is. And this is definitely a level of high interest. Level of high interest. Like I said, I would love to go short here, but price haven't shown me signs of real selling. Like, this is not enough. I want to see price move and come back. This looks weak. Go to VIX. Last 30 for VIX. Alright, kind of like where VIX is. We might actually be selling off. I'm gonna check this out real quickly. Like I said, I'm not rushing, but based on what I'm seeing, might be ready to go. All right. Let's see. All right. Baby sell. All right. So after the market opened, we're looking for a strong sell that may come out to say, hey, let's get going. That's what I want to see. All right. We got sell, sell, sell. All right. I want to see something that says, hey, I'm ready to go. All right. That's what I'm looking for. Right now, I got, hey, I'm interested. I want to see, hey, I'm ready to go. All right. I like where this is here. I like where this is here. Get rid of that. All right. Likely has something right here or near to it. Put this on the 5. Same thing on 6 up. This one right here, I think this is what it was. This one here. Alright, so back to I think 30 was. Okay. I want to see something that says I'm ready to go. Right now, price is just interested. Alright. Other than that, I put my news thing up. I'm done for today.